I can't believe it, guys. I just got unlimited dice money and draws in Monopoly Go games. And I'm ready to share with you all the steps we took to get an amazing app that will allow us to have unlimited dice money and draws in Monopoly Go game. This app is also available for both devices, iOS and Android, and this is not a hack or a mod. It's just the safest way to get unlimited dice money and draws in Monopoly Go game. I hope that you're ready, guys, and let's get on to work. Okay guys, first let's get into settings and turn your battery saver mode off because of the remainings of the downloading process. For iOS users, it's low power mode. Okay, now before I start with the actual tutorial, I want to show you how to use this Monopoly Go++ app. It's pretty simple, guys, so we will go quickly through this. You just need to follow my steps. Okay, first you need to select your device platform. I will select Android because I'm currently using my Android phone. Now you need to enter your dice money and rolls amount. Okay, with dice money I will go with like 1 million because honestly guys I don't need more, and with rolls amount I will go with like 99k. Okay, and now all you have to do is click the send button and wait. Guys, note that you can go with as many dice money amount you want and rolls of course, but you can use this app only once a day. As you can see guys, it shows that it's successful. Now let's get into Monopoly Go game and see if it actually added our dice money and rolls. Okay guys, as I said before, it's really important to turn off your battery saver mode if it's on, and for iOS users low power mode, because without it I don't think it will work. Okay. Whoa guys, as you can see, it actually worked amazing. It's adding our dice money and rolls. Now I'm gonna lead you through the whole tutorial of getting this Monopoly Go++ app for absolutely free. First, you will need to go to browser, any browser you have, Google or Safari, or anything you actually have, guys. And now go to this website right here, appsneak.com. Okay, now you can just simply scroll down for this app or search it, it's whatever. Okay, it's Monopoly Go++ app, just click on it and simply click download now button. Okay guys, all you have to do now is wait. And this app is for completely free, it's not a hack or a mod, it's just the safest way to get this app for absolutely free, guys. So don't worry. Okay, and guys, if you're downloading this app for the first time, guys, you will need to verify mobile device version by completing 2 offers. It won't take more than 2 minutes of your time, guys, so go ahead, verify it and get this amazing app into your home screens just like I did. If you want me to do it for you guys, just comment your Monopoly Go username down below and feel free to ask me any questions you have. I'm open to help anyone. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!